The most expensive lead you'll ever lose. Many appliance repair companies focus heavily on generating new leads while overlooking existing customers. But past customers already trust you. They've experienced your service and they know you can be trusted. You've already paid to acquire them. You've invested in marketing to earn that customer. And you've already completed work for them. So you've solved their problem and you've delivered value to the customer. Yet many customers call a different appliance repair company the next time the appliance is broken. That's because you're out of sight, which means you're out of mind. A repeat customer is often the highest value lead you'll ever have because you've already earned their trust. The challenge is that many customers simply forget who serviced their appliance the last time. The appliance repair companies that stay visible between service calls are more likely to win repeat business.